Hello guys, welcome to the Manu Education. Now today in this video we'll talk about the two beautiful courses, and that is nothing but the BMS and the BMM, the Bachelor of Management Studies and the Bachelor of Mass Media. So guys, if you want to pursue these two courses, which should be the best college or the best institute in country, and that is nothing but no doubt guys, the St. Xavier's Mumbai. And why St. Xavier's Mumbai? Then watch this video till the end because we'll talk about the history of St. Xavier's, the ranking, all the facilities, alumni contact and the placements guys. So let's move further. Now if you want a preparation for St. Xavier's entrance test and all the BB entrance exams, guys, we already launched the batches for all BB entrance exams such as the SET, IPMAT, ZipMAT, ANPAT, CUET, CUCET, St. Xavier's and all others. So if you want to join with us, you can interact live with us. You will receive the books at your doorstep and you will also get the access for the ebooks. You will learn various shortcut tricks. All your doubts will be solved into the live lectures. You will get access for the recorded videos, all the topic tests, full length mock tests. Their separate WhatsApp group will be made, and throughout this period you will solve around 10,000 plus questions in each particular batch guys. And you will also get the mentorship by our exam mentors. So guys, what are you waiting for? If you want a preparation for all these BB entrance exams and if you want to enter into the St. Xavier's Mumbai, guys, competition level tough hote ja raha hai each year as the seat intake is very less for the BMS and also for the BMM. So guys, what are you waiting for? Call on this number manuedu.com/bb entrance. Now let's move to the main topic. First we'll see the history part. Now guys, if you love the infrastructure, if you choose the college as per infrastructure, then guys, look at this. Look at this campus guys, it's wow. Established in 1869, the St. Xavier College, named after Francis Xavier, a Spanish Jesuit saint of 16th century. Now guys, the institute established in 1869 and the name is given after the Francis Xavier. So it is the Xavier's College. So the whole building is made as per the Indo-Gothic style, the architecture, and it is also recognized as the heritage and the cultural site. Now guys, it got the autonomous status in 2010 and it was the first college who granted the autonomy by the University of Mumbai in 2010. Now let's talk about the ranking part. So St. Xavier's was awarded the highest A grade by the National Assessment and the Accreditation Council, that is nothing but the NAC, with 3.63 grade average on the 4-point scale. So guys, look at this figure. Now you will never find such a number on any particular institutes. Yes guys, lot of institutes who comes under the top colleges, although they have 3.58 or 3.4 grade on the average scale of 4 point. So now look at this figure, 3.63. Now the St. Xavier College offer various undergraduate programs, the postgraduate program, diplomas and the certificate programs in the fields of art, science, business and commerce, media or public policy, and there are lot of courses guys. So it is the first among the top private autonomous colleges in India and it is consistently ranked best among the top 10 college in India. Now guys, even it offers the BMS or the BMM, not the BBA, but guys, it always comes at the top 10 college in India. So if you want to pursue the BMS or BMM, then guys, one of the best institute is nothing but the St. Xavier Mumbai first. Your preference should be this St. Xavier's Mumbai. Thereafter, if you want to enter into other colleges, then you can move on guys. But remember guys, first preference, always target top colleges. Although seats are less, we'll talk about later. Now we'll talk about the facilities. So guys, it has great facilities. Although it is established in 1869, that means सारी facilities होंगी guys. With respect to library, established in 1887 or 1888, it has around 1,33,489 books and almost 50% जो books है guys वो 16th century के भी पहले की है. It also has the reference library established in 1937 and the lending library established in 1977 comprises of 16,000 plus books जहाँ magazines है, area है, sitting area hai, all the facilities is there, Wi-Fi connection is there, great internet facilities are there, access for all journals, magazines and all the academic sites. It also has the computer center which established in 2006. It is called the Xavier Knowledge Center and it is the solar powered. Includes the 5 computer labs and around 125 computers in it. Thereafter, it also has the multimedia centers, the Smith Center for Audio Visual Instructions named as SCAVI, and also the multimedia room MMR. It also has the Gymkhana which is known as the Fell Gymkhana, established in 1954, and also the counseling center which is working from 1954, who works whole year to prepare the students so they can be factory ready. So it develops their managerial skills, it provides suitable counseling there, how to build your curriculum vitae, how to develop all the managerial skills, and etc. And it also has the placement center which works whole year to build the course and to build the students. So guys, we'll talk about the placement criteria later. Now these all are the facilities and lot of facilities are there guys. So if you want a complete detail about that guys, just once visit the official website. You will also find lot more facilities there. Now we'll talk about the function fest. Guys, each year St. Xavier organize various functions or festivals. One of the most popular one is nothing but the Malhar. Now Malhar जो guys चले आ रहा है 1979 से. Now one of the most popular college festival in the city since 1979, जिसमें 60 से भी ज़्यादा colleges participate करते हैं and more than 20,000 plus participants आते हैं along with college crowd. Okay guys, so Malhar जिसका बजट गाइस मोर देन 30 to 35 लाख पर ईयर तक जाता है. सो यू कैन अज्यूम मल्हार कितना बड़ा फेस्टिवल है गाइस. दे आफ्टर ज़ैनफेस्ट, वेल नोन इंडियन क्लासिकल म्यूजिकल फेस्टिवल hosted by IMG, Indian Music Group. Now, thereafter, the Zephyrus Conference organized by the BMS department. Okay, जहाँ बहुत सारे conferences होते हैं. The legends are come here, visit the college and features renowned speakers from all over the world. And also the Ithaca, the annual English Literature and Theatre Festival, and it is organized in 1990. Guys, since 1990 ये festival चले आ रहा है Ithaca, and it is organized by English Literature Department of the St. Xavier College. And thereafter, the ZGAS, the media conference by the Mass Media Department, started in 2011 and 12. So guys, lot more festivals are there. Now if you wanna combinely overall entertainment, अगर आपको campus अच्छा चाहिए, you wanna all the facilities there, आपको सारे festivals भी चाहिए, traditions, culture, social science, all these things अगर combinely आपको किसी एक particular institute में चाहिए guys, then you should target the St. Xavier's College. Because guys, आप चाहे कोई भी प्रिपरेशन कर रहे हो, BMS करो या BMM, इवन इफ़ यू आर टारगेटिंग फॉर BA, अगर आर्ट्स के लिए जा रहे हो, कॉमर्स के लिए जा रहे हो या सोशल साइंस के लिए जा रहे हो, और द अदर कोर्सेज लाइक साइकोलॉजी और एक्सेट्रा, देन गाइज वंस यू विल ग्रेजुएट फ्रॉम दिस कॉलेज, you will remember that you spend a valuable time in your career at this particular institute, and in the return guys, it will feel lot more. So just look at all these notable alumni. The मुकेश अंबानी यही से गए गाइस, कविता कृष्णमूर्ति, अनिल कपूर, पंकज उदास, राजदीप सरदेसाई, सोली सोराब जी, सुनील गावस्कर, विद्या बालन, शबाना आजमी, जीनत अमान, आदित्य रॉय कपूर, आदित्य ठाकरे, अशोक कामटे, अली फैजल, तबू, फ्रीडा पिंटो, ऑल दिस गाइज. और ये तो बहुत कम है गाइज. इवन ईच ईयर all the great faculties from the world also visit at the college. If we talk about in 2009, the United States Secretary of State Hillary Clinton visited the college and conducted the interactive session with the students with regards to academics and the subjects. And in 2010, the US President Barack Obama visited the college and held a town hall meeting. So guys, nothing but if you are in St. Xavier College, आपको इंट्रैक्शन मिलेगा हर एक बड़ी हस्ती से गाइस. इवन इट इज़ फ्रॉम बॉलीवुड, इवन इट इज़ फ्रॉम द टॉप कंपनीज, और इवन दे आर वर्ल्ड लेजेंड्स. सारे यहाँ विजिट करते हैं, ईच ईयर सारे यहाँ विजिट करते हैं. यू विल गेट द इंट्रैक्शन विद देम. लॉट ऑफ फिल्म्स आर मेड एट दिस प्लेस. इवन सच एज कुछ तो है, मैं हूं ना, जाने तू या जाने ना, सत्यमेव जयते, एंड लॉट मोर. सो गाइज लेट्स सी कि आप इस कैंपस में हो और एक फिल्म की शूटिंग चल रही है. सो गाइज कंप्लीट पैकेज है ये कॉलेज. इवन आप वहाँ पढ़ाई करने जा रहे हो, बट गाइज यू विल गेट टोटल एक्सपीरियंस ऑल अराउंड सराउंडिंग. आपकी क्या हो रहा है, यू विल गेट टोटल एक्सपीरियंस देयर. You will learn all those things there. even by participating in various festivals, functions, competitions. You will get interacted with all these alumni and the great legends. Now if we talk about the placement, then guys average placement यहाँ कुछ ज़्यादा नहीं है, but yes you will get the best return on the investment at this particular institute. So average placement, if we talk about, it is 4.5 to 6 lakh per annum, and highest placement की अगर बात करें then guys it is 12 lakh per annum. Now why rate of interest is great? Because if we talk about the BMS, now if we talk about the fee structure, then guys with respect to BMS, it is not more than 93,000 for all 3 years, and if you talk about the BMM program, then it is not more than 98,000 for all 3 years. So guys, why not? This will give you the best return on the investment. And even as previously discussed about the St. Xavier, the highest package, and that is nothing but this one guys, we already discussed in our previous video. One of the student of BMS got the highest remuneration of around 30 lakh per annum ka package guys, 30 lakh per annum. So one of student got 30 lakh per annum का पैकेज, रेस्ट हाईएस्ट पैकेज आप देख सकते हो 12 lakh per annum, and the average पैकेजेस की बात करें then 4.5 to 6 lakh per annum. And guys this package is after your graduation. Once you will get the master degree, then you can see beyond all these numbers. So guys overall this is the great college, one of the top college for BMS and BMM program. Even आप BMS के लिए जा रहे हो या BMM के लिए जा रहे हो guys, 60 seats for each particular program. Now competition level always high. Reservation की बात करें guys, then it is Catholic college, so almost reservation है for all Catholic students. Now even seats are less, but guys you need only one seat. Now prepare for that one seat only, and guys definitely you will get great exposure even at that particular campus. आपको ऐसा लगेगा guys आप पूरी दुनिया घूम रहे हो सिर्फ उस कैंपस में रह के. And yes guys, this is the college, the St. Xavier's, and why you should target the St. Xavier's for your BMS and the BMM program. If you want to pursue other all programs like Bachelor of Arts, Commerce, Political Science and others, even you can try for this college. So this is all from the today's video guys, all about the St. Xavier, why you should target the St. Xavier's Mumbai. So if you want a preparation for it, you can join live classes with us, classroom preparations, books, mock, GD, FAT, interview, or the mentorship programs. So call on these all respective numbers. If you want exam updates and all notifications, you can follow our social media handles such as the YouTube, Facebook, Insta, and you can also join our Telegram group. So guys, all link I mentioned in the description. Kindly check those links and don't forget to subscribe our new YouTube channel Manvo BP Entrance. So this is all from the today's video guys. I hope you got all the points with respect to the St. Xavier. Now if you want a complete detail about the St. Xavier examination, guys I already made the video on the same. You can watch that video too. And still if you have any doubts guys, ask me in the below comment section. So guys, if you like the video, hit the like button and share it to all of your friends so they will also get the benefit from this video. So this is all. Thank you very much guys. All the best for your preparation. See you on the next video.